Hi, I'm Gary for ExpertVillage.
Now I'm going to decrease the size of the brush, and I'll go back and I'll get a bit closer to the image. Also, we have a tool which is the magnifying glass. If we go ahead and click on it, we can go ahead and zoom in our image, and I'll go ahead and just click on an area, and we see that the image gets very zoomed in. And now I can take my brush and I can, with a little bit more detail, go around these edges of the beard and around the jacket, and I can go ahead and erase that blue area. So that's what I'm going to do. I have to go back to my toolbar and click on my eraser tool again, and I'm going to go ahead and start erasing. Now, since I'm zoomed in, my brush size is a little big, so I'm going to shrink it down again by clicking the left bracket, and I'm going to go ahead and try and get a little bit closer now to the jacket area that I want to keep blue, and erase the rest. And here I have some of the beard area and the shirt, which I can go ahead and take away the blue color and just go around here. You can see that I can do it in some fine detail. I can scroll down and the image will move down, and this is basically how I would work the close edges. And I can go ahead and manipulate the go around the image this way just by scrolling up and down and left and right. And here I'm just going around the corners of the image. Now if you do enter into an area, let's say I go and click around the jacket, it's not the end of the world, because right now we're very close, and when this image is back to its full size, it will be very hard to notice every little area that was painted or not. So even this little bit, but I will show you how to go ahead and erase certain areas if you do mess up. And we see here that you might, this little tiny corner over here, I'm going to go ahead and shrink my brush down really small, and that's how I'm going to get into this nook and cranny right next to the jacket if you really want to be exact. And now I can go ahead and open my brush up again by clicking on the right bracket,